Welcome to Mud Learning, where we memorize, understand, and do.
Hello, friends. It's me, Neat Nelly. My name starts with the letter N, and I say, mm. Can you say that with me? Great. Now look at this kitchen. Oh, my. What do you see? The kitchen is messy, but we can fix it. Today, we're going to clean up dirty dishes, make them sparkling clean, and put them away where they belong. Cleaning can be fun. Just, you wait. I even have a song and some games for you. Before we clean up, let's play a quick game. I'll show you an item, and you tell me if it's dirty or clean. Are you ready? Let's go. What about this pot? Is it dirty or clean? That's right, it's dirty. We need to wash it. How about this spoon? Is it dirty or clean? Yes, it's clean and ready to be put away. And this cup, dirty or clean? It's dirty, so let's give it a good wash. What about this plate? It's all shiny and nice, so it's clean. Now it's time to clean. When we clean, we wash the dirty things, dry them, and put them away where they belong. Let's sing my special song while we clean.
Scrub, scrub, scrub the pots, make them nice and clean. Wash the spoons, the forks, the cups, let them shine and gleam. Dry, dry, dry the plates, put them all away, in the drawer or on the shelf for another day. Dirty to clean, hooray, hooray, a tidy kitchen is the way. Scrub, dry, pack away, let's clean up and play. Scrub, scrub, scrub the pots, make them nice and clean. Wash the spoons, the forks, the cups, let them shine and gleam. Dry, dry, dry the plates, put them all away, in the drawer or on the shelf for another day. Dirty to clean, hooray, hooray, a tidy kitchen is the way. Scrub, dry, pack away, let's clean up and play.
Now it's your turn. Let's clean up together. If you're at home, grab a small cup, spoon, or plate, with help from a grown-up, and let's pretend to wash it. First, scrub, scrub, scrub with soap and water. Now rinse it with water to wash the soap away. Next, take a towel and dry it. Dry, dry, dry. Finally, where does the pot go? That's right, back in the cabinet. Wow, friends! Look at this kitchen now. It's so clean and tidy. The pots, pans, cups, forks, and spoons are all washed, dried, and put away where they belong. Remember, a clean kitchen makes us feel happy, healthy, and proud. Thank you for helping me clean up today. You did an amazing job. Don't forget to join me next time for more cleaning fun.
Please remember to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends.